How to delete a part of audio in AudioMass. First of all, open your web browser and go to the AudioMass website. It's a free, browser-based audio editor, so there's no need to download anything. Once the site loads, click on File at the top left corner and from the drop-down menu, select Load from Computer to import the audio you want to edit. Next, play your audio and identify the section you want to remove. You can use the playhead to move precisely to the start of the unwanted segment. After that, click and drag on the waveform to highlight the exact part of the audio you want to delete. After selecting the portion, simply press the backspace key on your keyboard. This will immediately remove the highlighted audio section. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can always undo the action by pressing Shift+Z or using the undo option from the Edit tab. To make sure your edit sounds smooth, you can zoom in on the waveform and adjust the edges of the remaining audio to avoid abrupt cut. AudioMass also allows you to fade in or fade out the audio near the cut, which helps create seamless transitions. Once you are happy with the edit, click on Export under the File tab to download the edited audio file to your device. Choose the format you prefer and save it. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a part of audio in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.